So in this session, we're going to take a look at two interior routing protocols, ISIS and OSPF. Both of them are linked state routing protocols using the Dijkstra SPF algorithm. So what's the difference between them then? And why do so many ISP engineers spend so much time arguing about which is superior? Well, as we saw in the OSPF session, OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First. Open means it's an open standard and developed by the IETF OSPF working group in RFC 1247. The current version is OSPF version 2, RFC 2328. The shortest path first refers to Edsger Dijkstra's algorithm for producing a shortest path tree through a graph. ISIS stands for Intermediate System to Intermediate System. ISO 10589 specifies the ISIS routing protocol for CLNS. A linked state protocol with a two-level hierarchical architecture, and it has type length value options to enhance the protocol. RFC 1195 added IP support, and we call this Integrated ISIS. Integrated ISIS runs on top of the data link layer. So let's look at the two protocols. Both are IGPs, Interior Gateway Protocols. They distribute routing information between routers belonging to a single autonomous system, and both use Edsger Dijkstra's algorithm. They support classless interdomain routing, they support variable subnet length masking, they support authentication, they support multipath, and they support unnumbered links. So the slide shows the different terminologies used in OSPF and ISIS for the same devices. In OSPF, we talk about a host. In ISIS, it's an end system. In OSPF, we talk about a router. In ISIS, it's an intermediate system. A link in OSPF is a circuit in ISIS. A packet in OSPF is a protocol data unit in ISIS. Designated router in OSPF is a designated IS in ISIS. OSPF has a backup designated router, and there's no such thing in ISIS. OSPF's link state advertisement is a link state PDU in ISIS. A hello packet in OSPF is the IIH PDU in ISIS. And the database description in OSPF is the complete sequence number PDU in ISIS. OSPF talks about an area, ISIS has a subdomain. OSPF has a non-backbone area, ISIS refers to this as a level 1 or station. OSPF's backbone area is level 2 in ISIS. The area border router in OSPF is an L1, L2 device in ISIS. Autonomous system border router in OSPF is any intermediate system in ISIS. What about the transport? OSPF uses IP as a transport, protocol number 89. ISIS is directly encapsulated in layer 2. It has no dependency on IP.